Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox tutorial. In today's practice, we are going to find out how to create a custom avatar for users. As you know, each WordPress user account has a unique avatar. However, users usually use the Gravatar to set it up. It might be inconvenient in some cases. For saving time, you can completely add or change the avatar by creating a custom field that allows users to upload photos right on the website. You'll need to use the MetaBox plugin for this practice. You can download it directly from WordPress.org. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have some advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB User Meta or MB User Profile. They allow you to create fields for users. You can choose to use one of them. MetaBox Builder. It helps you to create fields on an easy-to-use UI. Let's get started. Go to MetaBox and create a field. Look for the single image field type. It allows users to upload an image to the field only. The ID of the single image field will be used in the next steps. Next, move to the Settings tab. Set the location as user. Now, go to the user profile page. You will see the new custom field. Let's try to add an image. The default field of WordPress for avatar hasn't received the image yet, so we should take an additional action. To set the image in the custom field to be the avatar, we should add some code to the theme file. Go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Look for the functions.php file. Add code like this. This is to declare that we will add a filter with this name to this hook. This is the hook provided by WordPress. This filter will have these three parameters, and you can set the filter name as anything you want. These lines of code is to get the ID of the current user. Then assign it to this variable. This one is to check if this variable is empty. The avatar still being the image that is the current avatar that user set up by default or Gravatar. Otherwise, we use this function to get the value of the custom field that has the ID like this. Obviously, just the field which is used for the user object. And only the value saved in the field which matches the current user will be obtained. Then it will be transferred to this variable. This one is to check if this variable has any value or not. If not, means the user did not set any image in the custom field, so the avatar also still being the image that is the current avatar. If they did upload any image to the field, this variable will be assigned the value from this variable. Then, the avatar will be the one from the custom field. Now just back to the user profile page. The avatar is now like this. Let's try to upload an image to the custom field and check if this one will change or not. It works already. So, we have done this practice. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to try more things, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.